الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. It's me, Miss Atiya Amir, the teacher of The Educator Farooq Class Campus. I will teach you English of class 2. Students, we are starting our new section 2021 to 2022. As you know, before starting the lecture, we should take the name of Allah. So raise your hand and recite dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi shari sadri wa yassirli amrul wahlul uqdatam bil lisani yafqahu qawli. Say Amen. Students, before starting our topic, starting our lecture, we will do an activity, and this activity is based on the question answer. I will write some question on the board, you will think and you will give the answer, and then we will recognize our topic name. Okay student, let's start our class. I have riddle for you, and in this riddle I will ask you some question to you. My question number 1 is, which part of computer is the name of any animal? Now think. And the second one is, there are hard structure in mouth, bite and chew. What is it? Think it. Okay, now question number 3. I am tall, start with T, wagging around and with L. Now student, think and give me answers. Okay student, I hope you have think and you had answers. And the first question is, which part of computer is the name of any animal? Student, the answer is, now give me answer. Definitely mouse. Mouse is the part of computer which is the name of any animal. Now second riddle was, there are hard structure in mouth, bite and chew. What is it? Student, what answer will be? Definitely teeth. Now third one. Student, my third question was, I am tall, start with T, wagging around and with L. You got the answer? Yes. Answer is tail. Okay? Student, you have got the answer of these questions. Mouse, teeth and tail. Student, which picture is coming in your mind? Which animal of this? Definitely this is mouse, because mouse has teeth and long tail. So student, today our topic name is mouse, and or the plural form mouse is mice. Okay student, now take out your Oxford Reading Circle book 2. Okay student, now chapter number 1, name is mice. Okay, and the page number is 9, and poet of this poem is Rose Feldman. Student, what is the poem? Poem is a piece of writing in which the expression of feeling and ideas given intensity by particular attention to deduction. Student, now I am describing the first stanza. I think mice are rather nice. Student, the meaning of nice, good, better, and the meaning of rather, completely, fully. Student, this is the Rose Feldman thinking that mice are completely and fully nice. Now come toward the next stanza. There is full stop. It means first stanza has been closed. Now second stanza I am reading. Read with me. Their tails are long, their faces small. They have not any chins at all. Okay. In second stanza, Rose Feldman is describing the appearance of mouse, in which mouse has long tail. Student, this long part of the body is tail of the mouse. Okay. After this, what he is saying? He is saying he has a small face. This is the face of mouse. The poet is saying that mouse has a small face. Now, what poet is saying? They have not any chin. Student, now I am reading stanza number 3. Their ears are pink, Their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. Okay, first I want to describe the appearance of mouse. Rose Fallman is saying the ears of the mouse are pink. Ear we use for hearing. Do you know, student? Yes, I know that you know. And what Rose Fallman is saying? The teeth of the mouse are white. Can you see this part? We chew by this teeth. We can easily chew anything. Okay, student, this part is called teeth. So Rose Fallman is saying that the teeth of mouse are white. They run about the house at night. It means poet is saying the action of mouse. A student, mouse want to run here and there in your house. Stanza. I am reading. They nibble things they should not touch, and no one seems to like them much. Student, I am describing this. They nibble things. What is the meaning of nibble? Nibble means to take a small bite. Okay? It means at night time, mouse want to touch the things and nibble the things in your houses. And no one seems to like them much. Seems means appears. Okay? And that's why, student, no one like mouse because they touch and nibble the things. That's why no one like them much. Much more you can say. Okay? Now last one, fifth stanza. But I think mice are nice. Student, this thinking is of Rose Fallman. According to Rose Fallman, mice are nice or good. Okay, student, now move toward the exercise. On book page number, this exercise is present on book page number 10. First is read aloud. Now student, read with me, okay, but loudly. Ice, mice, nice, rice, size, slice, rice, skis, much, such, touch, clutch. Okay, student, now question number B. Answer the following. Why do you think the poet likes mice? The poet likes mice because mice are nice and they found him cute and nice. Question number 2 I am reading. Why do some people think mice are not nice? People think mice are not nice because they nibble the things and they filthy and disgusting. Question number 3 is I am reading. Do you think mice are nice or not nice? Say why. It means, student, this is your own thinking. Okay, you like mice or not, and you have to write the reason also. Okay, why you don't like and why you like mice. Now question number 4. Which words in the poem rhyme? Okay, student, you have to tell the rhyming. Student, we will search rhyming words in the poem. Student, rhyming words are which has the same sound, like mice, nice. Okay, now next one, look at here. Small, all. Now next, turn the page. Touch, much. These are the same sound words. Okay, student, take out your English copy. First, what you will do? You will make the title of first term. Okay. On next page, you will make the title of literature. Next page, you will make the title chapter number 1. Name is mice. Okay. After this, what you will do, student, you will maintain your page. How can you maintain your page? First, you will draw second margin line here. Okay, right side, and you will write CW here. And the left side, you will write date. What date is today? 3rd of May 2021. At the center you will draw 2 lines, and in lines you will write the topic name, which is riddle. In riddle I asked 3 questions. Okay, you will write the 3 questions with the answers. Now turn the page. On next page you will maintain same header as like before. You will draw second margin line, SW, and date, what date is today, and the header name is exercise B. Okay, in homework student you will do 4 questions. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, which we have already discussed in our lecture. Student, this is your copy work. What you have to do, you have to make the title of first term, title of literature, then chapter number 1, which is mice, and you have to do the riddle. These all are our classwork. Now come toward the homework student. In homework what you will do, you will do exercise B. In exercise B there are the 4 questions. Question 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay student, these questions you will do by own self. Okay student, inshallah we will meet in our Zoom class. I will take your follow up of homework. Till then, Allah Hafiz.